Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix white elbows and bright spots in Meccha Chameleon. So if your character keeps getting spotted because of visible body parts, just follow along. First, open the paint tool and inspect your character carefully. Look for areas like elbows, hands, or other parts that do not match the environment. Next, use the eyedropper tool and copy the color from the surface you're hiding on. And after that, repaint those bright areas. You should also check your character from different angles because some mistakes are only visible from certain views. And you can adjust the brightness and color until your body blends naturally. One thing you need to remember is that even a small white spot can make you stand out. So that was how to fix white elbows and stop giving away your position in Meccha Chameleon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.